Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I cannot believe I'm actually filming my intro to this video right now. It has been thundering so loud and pouring rain and the lights keep flickering. So I was so scared that when I was gonna start filming that the power was gonna go off and then there goes my video. But I made it. I'm finally done with the video and just filming my outro and intro now. So I cannot believe that I'm actually done filming and got a video done today because everything has been going against me and it's like the universe was telling me not to film a video and I pushed through and I told the universe back, I am meant to film this video and I did. So this was the look that I created for you guys today. I feel like honestly like a peacock. I'm obsessed with how colorful it is and it's a little bit different. It's like a winged out smoky cat eye and colorful and bright and perfect for summer. So I hope that you guys enjoy this look, and if you want to stick around to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into Tarte Cosmetics Tarteist Pro Remix palette. The first shade I'm picking up is Wall Art. Going in with my E25 blending brush by Sigma, I'm going to start running this shadow through my crease, just going back and forth, and then doing little circular motions to start blending the shadow out. The shadow is so pretty. I love the undertone of it. I'm now just picking up a little bit more and applying that again through my crease, all the way into the inner corner of my crease. I'm now picking up Color Explosion. So I picked this shadow up on my finger. I just find that it applies better with my finger, and I'm just going to swipe it across my entire lid. Now I picked up that same shadow on my E25, and I'm just going to blend it lightly through the crease to make sure that this green really blends through the crease nicely, and there's no harsh lines between the green shadow and then the shadow through my crease. Now going into Artist. So I'm first applying this on my lash line on the outer half of my lid, and then what I'm going to do is lay the brush on an angle and create a wing. And then start just dragging from that line on this outer half of my lid. And a little bit onto the crease to help blend that. And then I'm just applying a little bit more. And then I'm picking up my E54 medium sweeper brush and really lightly just blending this part out to meet up with the crease and that green shadow. And then for my lower lash line with that same F70 concealer brush by Sigma, I'm first picking up Artist and stopping it right on this half point on my lower lash line and making sure that it's connected to the outer wing. And then I just wiped off the brush and I'm picking up Color Explosion and applying that on this inner half of my lower lash line, and then hold on. And then once it gets to this middle point, just go back and forth to blend the shadows together. To highlight my inner corner, I'm picking up Moonlit, and then just to highlight my inner corner, and then I'm going to blend that out. To line my waterline, I'm going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Overdrive. I'm now just going to line my waterline. I'm so proud of my beautiful friend Fonika. I cannot wait to try these lashes out. So this is going to be my first time. And these are the Exterior Glam X Tarte lashes in 0 to 100. And that's the eye look done. These lashes are so pretty. I know that Fonika kept saying that these lashes are really comfortable, but I had to try it for myself and they are so comfortable. I honestly feel like I have barely anything on. And for them being the more dramatic pair out of the two that she created, they feel amazing. Oh my god, I love them, and I love the style and the shape and the feeling and everything. So moving on to my lips, I am obsessed with this lipstick, and I've mentioned it to you guys before, and I wanted to use it again because I just love the shade and love the formula of this lipstick, and that is the BH Cosmetics Cashmere Cream Comfort Lipstick in Tea. This one and Parf are my two favorite like go-to nudes. Parf is a little bit more pink, and this one's a little bit more like brownish, and they honestly feel amazing. They last the entire day without any touch-up, so I'm going to be applying this because I love it. And that's it. This is a completed look of my blue-green smoky cat eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love how the look turned out. Love it so much, and I love how different it is and that like blue-green gradiating into each other. I love it, and I feel like a peacock. what's better than that? So I actually had a completely different look in mind. I really wanted to do a green smoky eye, just simple and green, and as I was doing it, I was like, I feel like it's kind of boring. Even though I love doing green smoky eyes, they're some of my favorite looks to create because I love green shadow on my eyes because they make my eyes look so green. So I wanted to do that, and then I was doing it. I'm like, it's kind of boring. I want something a little bit different, and I ended up just throwing on a little bit of this blue shimmery wing, and I am so glad that I did because it just really like amped up and took the look to a different level, which I really hope that you guys like. And obviously you could have just left out the blue and then just kept going with that green shadow and blended it out into your crease, and then that would have been your nice simple green smoky eye. So I hope that you liked this look, and if you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified whenever I upload. And if you want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that'll be right here as well as down in the description box. And also a list of all the products that I use along with my brush set with Sigma, which is back in stock, will be linked down below for you guys to find everything easier. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!